Hi guys, in front of me is HONOR Magic7 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, open the settings, then find and select home screen and style, and here slide and mark select wallpaper. And now you can pick one from the official wallpapers. You can mark more and enter themes to pick something. But let me go back to default wallpapers. So just pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with, and that's it. Now mark done. Wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.